Hi guys, and welcome back to a quick tutorial where I'm gonna show you how you can make really easy $100 per day. I'm gonna show you the platform that I'm going to use for that. So definitely stick around here, subscribe to the channel if you find this valuable and want more of these videos. And of course also like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will push this even more, that more people can profit of this. So the platform that I'm going to use for this is called Margex. I know Margex personally for a really long time already because they have some exchange offices also in Dubai where I was living for a long time, and I never encountered any problems with them. So when they approached me to work with them together, I was basically directly on board. So we're gonna use their platform for that, and how we're gonna do that is via copy trading. So when you go to Margex website, you see they have here directly a button where you can click on continue trading. It will bring you then to the next page where you have to log in. So here in this case, I'm already logged in on the platform, and you see you have basically the same layout as on all the other trading platforms that you know, for example, like Binance or BYBIT or whatever. Here with your trading chart, with the order book here on the right side, and here on the left side, you basically set up your trade, the amount of leverage. You can go here from just 1x to 100x. I definitely don't recommend you to use 100x. Then the amount of equity that you want to use over here, and beneath, like I said, is the leverage. And then you either buy and go long, or you go on sell and basically short the market. If you want to use that platform, and then go here under the video, there is a link to Margex. If you use my link, you get 15% on your initial deposit and up to $10,000 is what you can get here as a bonus. So now let me show you how we actually use Margex. So if you want to copy trade, then once you are here in your interface and you're logged in, you go to copy trading, and you see you have here a leaderboard. So here on the leaderboard, you basically see all the traders that are offering copy trading and their ROI, the amount that they have themselves in the account. So this person is trading Tron, so he has like 170,000 Tron almost here, which is equal to $22,200 more or less. And the people that are trading and following his strategy have here $53,500 in this trading strategy, and he has right now 106 followers. So what you want to do is you want to find traders, first of all, that have a big following and have a high ROI and also have a lot of equity in their strategy. Now, if I go, for example, here to this trader, he has almost $800,000 in the strategy, which is crazy. So he must be really good. So here, first of all, you see the overall ROI for the week. He is up 142% for the week. You can also break this down here to the day. So over the day, he's in a loss of minus 33.8%, but this can of course still change, you know. So, and what you also should not forget, you will occur, even if you copy trade somebody, you will occur at some point some losses. So be aware of that. No trader is perfect. I'm also not perfect as a trader. You always have ups and downs here in between. So here you have then also a visualization of his equity. You see here over the week, it was actually increasing a little bit. If we go to a monthly scale, I guess, yeah. So here you see a huge jump in his equity at the beginning of March. And then here the inflow and outflow out of his strategy. And as you can see, you have here more deposits coming in for this week than basically outflows, where people were taking money out of that strategy. And when we are looking here over the month, there you also see overall this person has a lot of inflows instead of outflows, and that actually tells me already if a lot of people depositing funds into the strategy, this guy must be overall a really good trader. Something else that is an indication for that is that he is already almost 10 months on Margex Copy Trading with over 322 followers here. And I would like to see, I know for the day we know already. Let's see. Yeah, so here you still had big inflows. And how you gonna follow this guy is something that I'm gonna show you in a moment. You also want to pay attention to something else, and that is the follower tier. What is the follower tier? So the follower tier basically tells you how much of a profit split you are going into with the copy trader. Here, if you start with 0.001 Bitcoin in the strategy, he will take 50%. If it's 0.01 Bitcoin, he will take 40%. And you will basically get 60% in that case. So that means the more money you put into the strategy, so if you basically put in more, what is this right now? Let it be $720, then you will get 60% of the profit share. If it's less than $720, you will get 50% of the profit share. You also see here rollover times, so that means the times where you can actually get access to the strategy. He has here 6 time windows, so which is also really, really good. It's not only one. And then the only thing that you have to do is if you want to follow, for example, this specific trader, you only click on follow. That's all what you have to do. So if you click on follow, you choose how much Bitcoin you would like to allocate to the strategy. Let's say I would like to do 0.05, so it shows now that I don't have it. But that's how it would look like. And you click here on I fully understand the terms of services and you wish to continue. And then just you click on follow. It will execute. And then at one of these rollover times in these time slots, you will get allocated in that strategy. So now I have, of course, also a strategy myself that you can follow. This strategy is called, my strategies. As you can see here, AMCrypto, 2 exclamation marks. You see I'm here like more or less break even. I have 13 followers here right now. If I click onto this, let me actually show you the trade. Where is the trade now? So here you see, here's one running trade in a strategy right now. We are trading here with $11,453. And we are over $2,000 in a profit right now here on that specific trade. I took this trade when I saw the market correcting and I saw here this big wick happening. That is normally a sign that the dip gets bought up really, really quickly and is a sign of strength that the market is going to bounce. Hence why I took this position here in this trade. So if I would close this trade now, then proportionally to the amount that everybody put in the strategy, they would get then their payout, which would be right now here 18.62% distributed for everybody that is following me here. So that's basically already it. It's a really, really simple and straightforward platform. The only thing that I still want to mention is they have 0 fees, so you will not pay any trading fees. When you execute a trade, which is really nice, they have no KYC, no VPN. So no matter where you are in the world, you can actually use this platform and just follow this strategy. This strategy is kind of like a fund manager because you are allocating money to the strategy. And once I execute the trade, it will not copy the trade like a normal copy trading platform because this is like a pooled fund that I execute and trade. So, and this is really, really nice. If you have a strong trader that you trust on this platform, for example, now you're watching this video, so I guess you kind of trust me, then you can just allocate money to my strategy and then we are trading this together. I have a 50-50 profit split on it. I'm also not going higher than that. And I think it's also fair because you basically just front the money and I do all the work. So I think that is a fair, that is just fair that when I do all the work that we have here a 50-50 profit split. Guys, that is already everything that I have to say about the platform. Like I said, it's really straightforward. You just need to deposit a little bit of money and follow my strategy, and I guarantee you if you put in like $200-300, you will make here anything between $100 and $500 on a daily basis because I'm really actively trading here on Margex. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again in the next one.